Chairman of Shura Council in Sultanate of Oman. I think from our perspective, problems can be solved with dialogue. Establishing dialogue between different groups and faction can solve the problem. You cannot solve any problem without getting those involved in the problem together. You cannot solve it without getting them on a table to discuss. They should have the will to solve the problem. And also, if we keep the international from into countries, the problem is easier to be solved among themselves. But when it goes borders, then solution is becoming very complex. Dialogue, locals, they can solve the problem. Inshallah, we have alhamdulillah wal minna. With that, definitely unity will come. For that, our iman.